The farmers are not happy with the current calculation of the minimum support price. So let's address the core issue here. Why are such a large number of farmers knocking at the capital city's doors? Why are they wanting to enter the capital city? What is their protest all about? One abbreviation that is being repeated over and over again is MSP, the minimum support price. Once again, the issue is around MSP. So I'm going to explain to our viewers here on Free Press Journal's YouTube channel why this MSP has become a bone of contention. I'm Afrida Rahman Ali. Let's get started with the important issues around the MSP and why this time the differences are very different from the previous protest of 2020-2021. So let's start with what is MSP and what exactly is the demand. Minimum support price, as the name suggests, is what the price the farmers expect to get for their farm produce as a safety net, irrespective of the market controls or the market conditions. They should be able to get a minimum support for their farm produce. So therefore the term minimum support price, and who will be paying this price? The government, for procuring the crops from the farmers. The state government and the central government are supposed to procure 23 crops from the farmers and pay them the minimum support price. Now that system is already in place. So then why the protest? The protest is around the issue of how this MSP is calculated. The current calculation of the government is 1.5 times of the input cost plus the family labor cost. So these are the only two things that are taken into account while calculating the MSP. What are the farmers demanding? The farmers are demanding that the government of India should follow the MSP formula recommended by MS Swaminathan. The farmers are not happy with the current calculation of the minimum support price. So it is not as if the government is not giving them a minimum support price. The problem is with its calculation and with what it works out to for the farmers. This is an agriculture-based economy, so 1.4 billion people are catered to by these farmers who you are looking at right behind me there in that picture taken from the recent protest. The important thing here is the government cannot be seen on the wrong side of the farmer sentiment. Will they be able to placate their concerns? Will a middle ground be worked out? Remains to be seen.